We are here at Luming's Filipino Restaurant to eat breakfast.
Kaya tuwing umaga, alam mo ba yun?
We have here ears of pig, tinga ng baboy, tosilog, sino, itlog, and sinangag, sweet cured ham, egg, and then fried rice. Pig ears, spicy vinegar.
I made a promise. The wedge is full.
Kaya po ba ito ng face card? Never declined.